Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display this information, for example this one. If you want to look for the watch face that displays that information, open the watch face menu and scroll through it, and some of them display it, like this one for example. Okay. Besides the watch face, we can also check the activity menu. So we can press the crown button to open the menu, find the activity icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down, and right here we have the amount of the calories burned. You can also check this information on the phone. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Zap application on it, and there you have a little bit more detailed information. So we're gonna bring our phone, zoom out the camera a little bit, like this, open the Zap application, and in the app you will see the home page, and on it there will be some stats like steps, sleep and stuff like that. The calories might be missing. I have it, but you might be missing. If you're missing calories, tap on this icon right here, find the calories on the bottom list, grab them by pressing and holding on the sort button, and then drag them to the list above. And once you drag them here, tap on save, and then you will see the calories right here, and you can tap on the calories to open the detailed information, and here we have the daily progress, weekly and monthly. Okay, and that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.